Roses has always been everyone's favorite. I mean, there'll be number of houses who are not much into gardening, won't have any other plant, but will have a rose plant. Roses as mandatory for garden also sparkles its presence in decoration, face products, foods, and perfumes. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever thought that a rose flower can shower you with numerous health benefits that you ever thought of? But unfortunately, roses have always been underrated when talked about its health benefits. Roses just not excel in enhancing the beauty of the garden, but also excels in numerous health benefits. So watch the video till the end and please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.
Rose exert a positive effect on body, mind and soul and has been used since ancient times. Apart from rose being a beauty product, can be used in various other medicinal purposes as well. So let's get into the uses of the rose plant, starting with the fragrance of the flower.
With fatigue and stress comes insomnia and restlessness that gives rise to irritability and frigidity.
And the essence of rose flower has all the powers to beat these symptoms. According to a study conducted by Department of Physiology and Pathology of Robert Gordon University, rose essence when inhaled can reduce stress to a good level. Have a walk in the morning in a garden with plenty of rose plants for about 20 minutes. This will not only reduce the stress levels but will also help with the physical health, will give a great freshness and positivity to the body. Moving on to the petals, which is the core element of the flower. Rose for weight loss.
Rose petal contains compounds that improves the metabolism in addition to clearing toxins from the body and thereby aiding in weight loss.
Take a vessel, add 1 glass of water in it. Bring it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the burner. Then add 10 to 15 rose petals and close the vessel with a utensil. After 5 minutes, you will see that the rose petals have lost all the color and has become translucent, leaving the color in the water. Now strain the water. You can also add some honey and a pinch of cinnamon powder to this solution. Have this drink regularly, preferably in the morning to shed those extra flab. This drink will trigger the process of weight loss and will also help in digestion. And apart from this, eating a handful of roses satiates your senses, thus preventing you from eating more, which results in weight loss in a natural way. Rose for piles. Rose petal act as a natural aid to treat piles.
This is because they are rich in fiber and water content and contain compounds that aid in digestion by removing the toxins from the body.
Take a fistful of rose petals, crush them properly. Now add the paste of the crushed petals to a glass of water. Drink this solution on an empty stomach, especially in the morning, for a few days to get rid of the piles. When talked about rose, skincare is the first thing which comes in mind.
Roses exert a stunning effect on your lips.
They not only give a pinkish hue to your lips, but also make them soft by moisturizing them.
Rose petal exfoliates your lips and make them look more fuller.
Take a few rose petals, crush them properly and make it into a paste. Now add this paste to 1 tablespoon of fresh cream or malai. Now apply this on your lips twice a week and you will start noticing the magic soon.
With the help of the rose petals, we can extract rose water, which is exceptional when talked about its benefits.
Rose water is easily available in the market but contain a lot of chemicals, preservatives and artificial fragrances like paraben, propylene and are high in prices too. These won't benefit our skin or body, will rather degrade our skin and empty our pockets too. So, in order to take the full benefit of the rose water, let's make it at home. Take a vessel, add a bowl of rose petals in it, and keep a stand on it. Onto the stand, keep a vessel where you want to collect the rose water. Then pour water carefully around the petals. Turn on the flame. Then place the lid on top of the vessel in an upside down position. After 2 to 3 minutes, when water starts to boil, put ice cubes on the lid. Since the water inside the vessel mixed with petals, when boiled, will start to evaporate. With the concept of condensation, the water, when touched to the cold lid of the vessel, will turn into droplets and start collecting in the vessel. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove the lid. You will see nice rose water is collected in your vessel, and our homemade rose water is ready. Rose water can be used in various forms as a moisturizer, toner, hairspray in order to remove makeup, eye treatment, recipes as a light perfume, in scrub, face packs for uneven skin tone and for fairness. With plethora of benefits, rose water is best for skin. A sweet dietary supplement known as Gulkand can also be made at home. Take a bowl of rose petal and add 3 big spoons of jaggery powder and mash the two well. Traditionally, Gulkand is made from sugar, but in order to make it healthy, I substituted sugar with jaggery powder. After few minutes, you will see that the rose petals have decreased and started to secrete its oil. Now, take a pan and add the mixture. Roast it well. When you start getting fragrance of rose, add a pinch of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds. When petals start to get collected, indicates that the Gulkand is ready. Have a spoon of Gulkand with milk in the night before sleeping. Gulkand is best medicine for constipation, acidity, gastric problems, ulcer, piles, heart, and eyesight.
So from now, whenever you see a rose plant, don't just admire it for its beauty, but also praise it for its health benefits.